present simple or present continuous. 1. Which sentence is in present continuous? A. I'll drink orange juice. B. I'm drinking orange juice. B. I'm drinking orange juice. 2. Which sentence is in present continuous? A. They run in the park. B. They're running in the park. B. They're running in the park. 3. Which sentence is in present simple? A. She works at the store. B. She's working at the store. A. She works at the store. 4. Which sentence is in present simple? A. He cooks every week. B. Martin worked all week. A. He cooks every week. 5. Which sentence is in present continuous? A. I'm having dinner. B. The teacher did a new lesson. A. I'm having dinner. 6. Which sentence is in present simple? A. The dog eats meat. B. The elephant is walking around. A. The dog eats meat. 7. Which sentence is in present continuous? A. The bird is singing outside. B. The mother finds the keys. A. The bird is singing outside. 8. Which sentence is in present continuous? A. The house is beautiful. B. They are leaving. B. They are leaving. 9. Which sentence is in present simple? A. The dog is barking. B. My son lives in an apartment. B. My son lives in an apartment. 10. Which sentence is in present simple? A. He gets up early every day. B. She's watching TV. A. He gets up early every day. How did you do?